Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a video, show you how to, well, in my case, clean up and refill the oil on these Armstrong lever dampers. These are basically the shock absorbers you get on, well in my case, MG Midget and my Morris Minor. I'm sure they're available on various other cars as well. Unfortunately, a previous owner covered mine in underseal and then painted the whole thing blue. So you can see this stuff just breaks off. So once all of that is pulled off and the whole thing is wire brushed, we end up with one of these. Here's one I did earlier. So the way these work, there are two pistons on each side of here, and on top of here you have like a seesaw. So as I move that up, this piston here will be going down and this piston coming up. And in the bottom of here there is a valve, and basically the valve is restricting the flow. And I think you can upgrade these and you can get different size valves for increasing the tension and decreasing it. And yeah, so these actually don't feel too bad. There's a fair amount of pressure on there, but I have never changed the oil in these. I've had the car about 4 years. So my plan, well, basically what I'm going to do is drain the oil out and refill with new oil. But because I've lowered my car, the rear of my car, I am going to, rather than use the 20 weight oil that they recommend, I'm going to go with a slightly harder one and go with a 30 weight. That will restrict the flow even further. Basically it's a thicker oil, so it struggles to get through this valve. And yeah, that should give me a slightly stiffer rear end, and yeah, improve my handling slightly. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is undo this screw here. For the eagle-eyed viewers, I know I should be using an Imperial spanner, but a 14mm just happens to be perfect for it. And now I shall take this, there we go, take the screw out and the washer. And I'll take this over to, it's quite thin oil. Just see if I can take you with me. Take you to one of our murky oil drainers. I think that will probably, I can see that coming out there now. Right, so I've emptied all the oil out. Pretty happy that most of the oil is out of this now. Made a bit of a mess. Filled this little oil can with the 30 weight oil, and wear gloves and do it slowly, because if you don't, you make a mess, which is why I now have a very clean patch on the floor. Not good. So all I'm going to do is really carefully, I haven't primed this, there we go, really carefully fill this up with oil. I know you can't see on the camera, that is it's about half full. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that there, and I'll do the other one, and I'll drive it, and like I said, if I need to, I can fill this up on the car, especially now that I've wire brushed everything and it's not covered in underseal. If you've got a standard car and you want the proper oil, you can get the right 20 weight oil from Moss. I'll put a link in the description box below. And yeah, if you have any comments you want to add, put them in the comments. There we are. Now that has made a huge difference. I can move it, but it is so much tighter, so much stiffer, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm happy with that. I shall get that back on the car, get the other one done, and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.